Hello, today I'm going to take you to the process of instrument sterilization that happens in Sanjivani Dental Hospital. Our first and foremost step is to thoroughly wash and scrub these instruments with water. This helps remove the debris and the blood stains which are attached to our instruments. Now we're going to fast forward this process. I'm going to take you down to the next step. This step is equally important to make sure that the instruments are completely disinfected. Chemical sterilization helps us ensure that the infectious pathogens are not transmitted. It is carried out for 20 minutes. Our next step after chemical sterilization is ultrasonic cleaning. This step helps enhance the disinfection and the sterilization of the instruments. The instruments are put in an ultrasonic cleaner for 10 to 12 minutes. All these instruments are now removed from ultrasonic cleaner and allowed to air dry on a clean green cloth for some time. All these instruments that are air dried are now separately packed in an autoclave pouch and are ready for autoclave. All of these instrument pouches are now kept in an autoclave drum. Autoclave is the process in which uses steamed pressure of 15 psi at 121 degrees Celsius temperature to kill all the microbes and its spores and make our instruments germ free. The process of autoclave is carried out for 30 minutes. Lastly, the instruments are stored in a UV chamber. UV chamber uses ultraviolet radiation to avoid the recontamination of these instruments. Whenever a patient walks in, these instruments are ready to use.